Hi, welcome to our next Level 1 algebra video on solving linear equations. Straight into some examples and let's go. Remember, the strategy we like to adopt is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So we're going to solve this equation. 4x minus 7 all divided by 3 is equal to 15. Well, see that divide 3? We're going to multiply each side by 3 to get rid of a divide 3. So times 3 on both sides. On the left-hand side, that times 3 and divide 3 will cancel, and that leaves us with 4x minus 7. And on the right-hand side, 15 times 3 is 45. Now, step 2, let's plus 7 on both sides to get rid of the minus 7. So that plus 7 and minus 7 goes to 0, and that leaves us with 4x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, 45 plus 7 is 52. And our final step is to divide both sides by 4. Remember, we divide by the number, the coefficient out the front. And the 4 divided by 4 cancels to leave us with 1x on the left-hand side. And we're just got to work out what 52 divided by 4 is, which is 13. So x is equal to the number 13. Right, example 2. We're going to solve 4x over 3 plus 3 is equal to 19. Same strategy. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. First thing we've got to do is get rid of that plus 3. So to do that, we take away 3 on both sides. Right, the plus 3 and the minus 3 goes to 0, and that leaves us with 4x divided by 3 on the left, and 19 minus 3 gives 16 on the right. Now we've got that divide 3 on the left, so to get rid of a divide 3, we times 3 on both sides. So that times 3 and divide 3 cancel on the left, leaving us with the 4x's. And on the right-hand side, we've got to work out 16 times 3, which is 48. So 4 times x is 48. So our final step is to divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the 4 times x. The 4's cancel, leaving us 1x on the left, and 48 divided by 4 gives us 12. So x is equal to the number 12. Right, example 3. This is a bit of a killer. Let's solve x over 2 plus 2x over 5 is equal to 9. Now on the left-hand side, we've got a fraction. And we need to combine this fraction to make it a lot easier to solve. So go back and watch the videos on adding algebraic fractions if this next couple of steps are a bit rusty. Right, we're going to take x over 2 plus 2x over 5. We need a common denominator. So we're going to take the first fraction of x over 2 and times the top and bottom by 5. We're going to take the second fraction, 2x over 5, and times the top and bottom by 2. When we tidy them up, we get 5x over 10 plus 4x over 9. 4x over 10. We have our common denominator of 10, so we can add the two fractions to get 9x over 10. Just remember, we add the top parts, but we don't add 10 plus 10 to get 20. We leave the bottom as 10. So we've combined that into one fraction. So let's go back to our working and write them down as 9x over 10 is equal to 9. Now we can carry on solving. We have this divide 10, so let's multiply both sides by 10 to get rid of a divide 10. The 10 divide 10 cancel, leaving us 9x on the left-hand side, and 9 times 10 is 90. Our final step is to divide both sides by 9. The 9's divide 9 cancel, leaving us 1x on the left, and 90 divided by 9 gives 10. So x is equal to the number 10. Great, thanks for watching.